don't think oversized panels are daunting to homeowners at all. I think if anything, people want maximum amounts of glass and minimal frames. Obviously in a, let's say, a more traditional bifold door, not that they're very traditional, but you know what I mean. You would have smaller doors, you'd have more metal frame and smaller glazed panels. And I think anything that's making more glass, thinner frames and makes it more elegant, people will go for it. So at the end of the day, I think it's about what's right for the house. You know, some people will look and say a sliding door is better for our house because this is the way our house works. This is the layout we've got. If we've got bifold doors, the doors might get in the way and they might not want doors to fold out. And so that's a personal choice. That's up to them at the end of the day. I think nobody should ever say that type of product, which is a folding door, is better or worse than that type of product, which is a sliding door. It's about what your taste and style is and what your house needs and what the layout of your house needs. There's certain times that I've designed a property and I just think, let's go sliding because we don't need everything to open up. Because the downside of a sliding panel, as you know, is one's got to slide over the other one. So you've always got a fixed panel somewhere. Even if you've got 4 of them and 3 of them go all the way back, it's always going to be a fixed panel. Now that might be absolutely fine if you might have an area of that space where you don't need the door to open. Whereas there's other houses I've designed, I've got, no, let's absolutely do bifold. Because I want the whole thing to open up as much as possible. And if you're going to do that, you want small section sizes and maximum glass. I just don't think people are going to be scared about having bigger doors that have more glazing in them.